Welcome back to Study While You Scroll. Let's have a go at this question for standard math students. We have a triangle ABC and we want to find the area of the triangle to the nearest square meter. Okay, if we want to find the area of a triangle, let's use the area of a triangle formula, which looks like this, half AB sine C. Now to use this formula, you need a corner, you need an angle, and you need two sides next to that angle. So over here I can see I have a 60 degrees, I have this 12, so if I can just figure out a way of finding this side here, I can then apply this formula and get my 3 marks. So how can I find the value of this side length in this triangle? Well, it looks to me like a really good application of the sine rule because I have the 25 degrees across from the 12. So if I can just figure out what this angle is across from the x, I can then use the sine rule to figure out what x is. Now this angle is currently unknown, but that's okay because I have the other two angles in the triangle. So I can take these two numbers away from 180 to figure out that the unknown angle up here, C, is actually 95 degrees. So I'll put that on my diagram. Now I have all the information I need to rip into the sine rule, which looks like this. So we're going to have x over sine 95 equal to 12 over sine 25 degrees. Now to solve this for x, all we need to do is multiply the sine 95 across to the right. So we have 12 over sine 25 times sine 95. That gets us an answer of about 28.28637. I'm not doing much rounding yet because I'm not at the end of the question, so I don't want to make my final answer inaccurate. But now I have this side length here, I can now go straight into my area formula just here, where I'm going to do half times 12 times x, now that I know what x is, and then multiply this by sine of the angle between them, which is 60. So subbing that in looks like this, and then putting it into the calculator gets us an answer of about 146.98, and this question will our answer to the nearest square meter, so we'll round that up and say approximately 147 square meters, and that's how you quickly and easily get 3% of an HSC exam done. Thanks for watching.